Alright, welcome to InvestoOfCrypto. This is Darren. Welcome to the InvestoOfCrypto YouTube channel. Before I continue on, this part 2 of how do I invest into cryptocurrencies, or how do I look for the best cryptocurrencies to get into. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that like button and that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video if you like the content that I make. But continuing on from where we left off in the previous video, just reiterating what we went over. We went over, top losers and top gainers, and how to, how to check out what other people are investing in and things like that in the previous video. In this one, another trading strat. In this one, I'm going over another trading strategy that I use. One is using Lunar Crush. This is one of my favorite websites to go to, especially in the past I would say 3 or 4 months, because of the fact that all you gotta do is come to the market right here, and you could literally see which coins are popular at the moment, because you could look at their social media engagements, their circulating supply, everything. Pretty much it's just like CoinMarketCap, but in this one you get a little bit more information to help you with your trading stratagems. So, like for example, one coin that I see on this list is Algorand. Algorand is, I think, it's in the top 100 coins, and it's in this list right now. And let's go ahead and take a look at it, because this ranking is based on popularity at the moment. So we'll go ahead here, and we're looking at Algorand at the moment. Right here, the blue line is this social media volume, how much people are talking about it on social media. And this is the week chart. So this is over the past week. What people has been saying was how many people has posted about this on social media. This is speaking of not only just one, it's talking about Twitter, Reddit, Facebook, and all the rest of them. So, and also this is the price right now, right here, the purple line that's right here. And if you want to, you can actually look at the candles for it, and you can see the candle charts for it. You can actually share. You can create an account on here. You actually can make alerts for it if you want to. I'm not going to go over that in this video. But you could look up here. I can't remember off the top of my head what the Galaxy score is, what the altcoin rank is. I think the altcoin rank is basically what its popular is so far around the world. But I'll let you buy it. You have to, but right now, like I said, you have to look at a separate video. You have to look at it. You gotta do your research regarding that, because I cannot remember off the top of my head what that is at the moment. But one thing that I do like to look at when I'm looking at a good coin to invest in is, like, what is this social media volume? What is this engagement? You see how over the past 7 days. Let's look at it. Let's look about it on the 20th. Actually, let me go back even far as to the 17th. We see that on the 17th, on the 16th, we see it was at 98 cents. And we see that it just skyrocketed. So we see that this nice little bar. Now, I look at the line graph in this case, and we see that we went through this nice little wave of just going up in this case. But you see, as this coin started growing in popularity, see the social media volume spiked along with it. Every time it went up in the price, the social media volume went up. It went down, it went up, and when it went through major spikes, that's when the social media volume went up. So you see, social media plays a good role, plays some role in the coin's value going up and down. Now, and we see that over the past, 7 days, we see that social media engagement went up 63.7%, contributors 22.6%, dominance, social media dominance went up 64.6%. We even see its bullish settlement, which is 29.2%, and its sentiments for going bearish is actually pretty high as well. That's because it did jump from about, I think, 63 cents. So I'll check the market. Shortly. I think last month this coin was at 63 cents, and now it's at $1. So we have some share links has gone up 4.7%. And then, like I said, we got the social media. We got the social media engagements for Twitter and Reddit, and also other channels like YouTube and Medium Volume. I'm not sure what that is. Um, and also it's spam. It's spam. But yeah, but this looks like a good coin. And like if I was investing into this one, you could actually scroll down. You could see other things that are talked about it. Its top pairings are being traded at the moment. Also, its top influencers at the moment. And then you could actually go in here. You could look at the Galaxy score. Like I said, is you could actually go and check the Galaxy score. I would suggest you do your own research on what the Galaxy score is. I don't remember what that is, but we actually see that in its popularity so far amongst all cryptocurrencies so far is 25. I think the alt rank is 20 is the popularity of the crypto. Um, so if I wanted to invest in this, I would then go ahead and go to CoinMarketCap, and I'll scroll down until I find Algorand. We saw it was in the top 25. Actually, you know what? Just go to the search up here. Make it easier for us. Algorand. Here we go. All right, please forgive me. Like I said in the previous video, my internet is pretty slow today. Not sure what is going on with it, but it's trying to load up the data for it. But we see right now while it's loading up, we see this current price is $1.12, and right now, if I need to look at this coin, I'll look over the past 7 days. And I just look at this line graph, and I see how well this coin is doing. Matter of fact, like I said, just on the 17th, which is just 3 days ago, it was at 94, just at 92%, 92 cents. Let's go back a good month. Let's look at this. We got to the point where right here, here's where it went up. As we see, we saw it was like at 77 cents just a month ago. But let's look at a trading view chart for it. I like looking at the trading view charts for a lot of these things too. So we see we starting to get this nice little red candlestick coming down, but that's because it's bullish at the moment. But let's go ahead and check. There's several indicators I like using. One is the RSI. This is trading view, the trading view chart. One thing I like, first the indicators I like using is the stoic, and sometimes I like using the regular relative strength index. Um, and sometimes I get the other one as well, just to check, get the third one up there. But this is what it does. You could check to see whether a particular crypto, even if you're looking at stocks too, is overbought or oversold. That's what the RSI is. So right now we're looking at this particular crypto, and we're looking at the day chart. We see that this coin right now is just being overbought right now. And that kind of explains why we're getting this red line right now, because overbought at the moment, and this line like it's touching that overbought line. So right now it's gonna come down a bit. So right now this would not be a good time to buy into this crypto. You probably want to wait a bit if you want to get into it. Now this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to invest in this. I'm just basically giving an example right here. Do your own research on whatever crypto that you're investing in. I always say that. But we see one thing that we did, and this is going back to, like I said, just almost a month ago. This thing was pulling about 80 cents. 80 cents. It was really doing bad. It was really it was really down the last couple of weeks, and it just popped over the past few weeks. So right now we see that this coin is, like I said, it's about to go down at the moment for a bit. It might be going down simply because of the weekend. or it may be going down simply because like I said, the RSI shows that it's overbought at the moment. So that's one good way. Another way, like I said, always check the descriptions on it, whether you're on whether you're on CoinMarketCap or even my website, even CoinGecko, which is another platform. You always want to check the markets. Check the markets is very important, especially if you're in the U.S. You want to make sure that you're able to purchase it. But let me go back to InvestoOfCrypto. Um, all right, let me just do Algorand. There it is. All right, so one thing I like looking at on InvestoOfCrypto, I love always looking at the historical data for one. Like I love looking at the historical data because we see a little bit more. And let's go back almost a month ago. 'Cause I remember this thing being almost like 60 cents, but it may not be. It doesn't go back that far. Oh yes, it could. I can go back further than that. I go back to let's go back to July 4th. Oh, let's do what's today's date? Today is the 20th, and I want to go back to the 10th. Cause that's one thing I'm trying to figure out. Cause I know it was like almost a month ago. This thing was sitting at almost 60 something cents. Oh man, maybe it probably wasn't this one. It was something else probably. Okay, so it was at about around so it was at about 78%, 78 cents just a month ago. It wasn't 60 cents. Oh yes, it was right here on the 20th, 69 cents. So yeah, you could have bought if you would have bought it at 69 cents just almost a month ago. You've been in some profit. Um, but yeah, also another thing to look at, like I always say on the website, you can also look at the social medias. Well, this didn't have no social medias, but you also can look at the news on it. But just at my website, just at the Vesto Crypto website shows all the news when you go to it. Unfortunately, but yeah, but that's one way to look at it. But one thing that's good to note about this coin is this one does staking. So if I had to show people, um, let me go ahead and do this. If I had to show people how to invest in this, and let's say they were doing staking when they wanted to stake this coin, because this coin does staking. If you want to see how much profit that you may get from it, you guys should go to stakingrewards.com. Well, stakingrewards.com. And what you do is you go here and then you go and you search. I hit the search bar, but I guess this thing is still thinking about it. Okay, so this is it. I guess it froze up. Refresh. All right. Yeah, it's just a little bit slow at the moment. So let's go here, and I'll look up Algorand. Oh my goodness, my internet is so slow today. Please forgive me, my internet is so slow. There we go. All right, so right now we're looking at Algorand. If you really want to look at this website. I'll put this website also in the link below. Matter of fact, I'll put everything, all these links in the link below, to CoinMarketCap, to Lunar Crush, and also to this as well, and also to TradingView, which I'm about to go over shortly. I might wrap up with that one. But this is one where you could check to see if you wanted to stake this crypto. You could check to see how much would you earn. So in this particular case, the everything is staking at about around 5.52%. So if you really wanted to invest into this, and let's say if you wanted to invest into this, you can just go ahead and you could just go ahead and you could just put in how much money you're going to put into it. So for example, well, when I do it, some people put USD, which is like right now, if you put $1,000 into it, you want to get $4.53 back. But that's not really what I like getting. Sometimes for me, when I invest, I like going by exact amounts. Like for example, like if I invest into anything, and some of my trading strategy is, let me go ahead and just show you that real quick. One thing that I like doing, anything that's between 50 cents to I want to say $2. I always try to get a thousand of those. Anything that's under that, I would say between 10 cents and I want to say 49 cents. I try to get at least 10,000 of those. I try to get at least 10,000. I'm going to round it off. I try to get at least 10,000 of them. And anything that's less than 10 cents. Anything that's less than 10 cents. I always try to just buy, 100,000 to 1 mil of those. And anything plus that's greater than $2, I always try to go ahead and buy at least 100 of those. So, well, if it's greater, well, in my case, if it's greater than $5, I try to get at least 100 of those. So that's my metrics that I try to stick to, just so that I'm not, so if I'm going to be distributing my money out between any cryptocurrencies, I want to make sure that they're at least going to be within this these metrics that I've set. So anything that's above $5, try to at least buy 100 of them. If anything that's above between 50 cents and $2, try to get at least 1,000 of them. Anything that's between 10 cents and 50 cents, try to give 10,000 of them. And then anything that's less than a penny, try to get 100,000 to 1,000,000 of them. And that's just so that you're staying in the profits, and also so that when you need to stop investing in a particular cryptocurrency. All right, so let's say in this case regarding Algorand, let's say I wanted to buy 20,000. So this is $1. I most likely would try to buy 1,000 of them. But then let's say if I came into some extra money, maybe I might want to put some little bit of money into it and put 20,000 into it so I could get that $100 a month out of it, because you're getting a 5.52% staking every year from it. So if you were to put $20,000 into it, well, you buy 20,000 of this particular crypto, which would be $22,200. That would be, you'd be getting 1,200 a month, 1,235 a year, and $100 a month, that's not bad. And then you can also check based on, let's say right now, it's going based off the current price. So let's say if it got bullish, let's say it went up 50, about, what is it, $1.13? Let's say it went to $1, I think 50 100% will be a dollar. Let's say let's just round it back to a dollar. It will going up a dollar, going up a 50 cent. So $1.50. So it'd be roughly about $1.50, $150. And let's say it went up a full dollar, 100%. You begin $200 a month, and then so forth and so forth. You know, with the going to $10 and $5. At $5, you begin $600 a month. At 1,000%, at $10, you begin $1,000 a month off this particular crypto. But that's pretty much what I use. That's pretty much what I do is use. That's pretty mostly it what I use for all my trading strategies. Now the last thing I use TradingView, which like I said, I put the link to this in the description below. But what I use on TradingView, all I do is I just basically go and follow people online follow other people who are putting up their charts on here. I'm not good at doing charts. I know a little bit how to make my own charts and things like that, but mostly what I use TradingView for is just going into the market and just going into the communities and just basically looking at cryptocurrencies, people who are talking about cryptocurrencies and things like that. Let me just go here real quick. Yes, I look at the cryptocurrency markets and I look at the people who are basically trading crypto. These are all people who are they're sitting there reading these charts every day and giving their feedback on particular cryptocurrencies and things like that. If I want to follow, and what I do is I read what they say and then try to make my own determination whether I want to invest into a particular crypto or not. And also, yeah, like I said, you could make your own charts on here and, save them and things like that if you're good at, at reading charts and making your own charts. But what I do is I just basically mostly just keep these here and I just make sure that I'm getting alarms and alerts about particular cryptos that I'm investing in. I try to make sure I get an alarms on them, making sure when prices are going up, when prices are going down, and things like that. But other than that, that's it regarding my crypto strategies, my crypto trading strategies. In this video, I did not go over in this particular video. I did not cover in this video. I didn't cover how to go and buy a particular crypto because I already have a video, tutorial I've done previously on how to buy crypto on Coinbase. But that's pretty much it regarding my trading strategies. If this was very helpful to you, please leave a comment below about whether any of these strategies were helpful to you. If you are brand new, please just go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below. Also, if you want to see more videos by myself, once again, please go ahead and if you like the video, you want to see more videos by myself, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell button so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Also have links for all new people who are in crypto for Gemini and for Coinbase. You get $10 for your first $100 investments if you use the Coinbase links in the descriptions below. I also got a few other nice little couple of links down there for you and some more are affiliate links. Some are affiliate links just to let you know. To help you with getting started in your crypto journeys. Once again, I think I've already reiterated this one time. I'm going to say it one more time before ending, is that if you are looking to learn more about crypto or talk more about crypto, please join the Telegram group. We always looking to talk with new people and hear about their investment strategies or hear about what cryptos they're investing in or looking to invest in, or even just talk about crypto in general. So like I said, just go into the description below or click the link on the Telegram link on the InvestoOfCrypto website. Alright, other than that, I thank you for checking out this video. This is Darren. I'll see you in the next one. Alright, peace.